Happy April 8th. I just wanted to do I don't know, just a quick video. I just love my chart, man. So, um, I don't really need, you can have the lights, the GANN Northern lights, but, or not. Sometimes I make it clean. You can even get rid of I love the compass. I'll get into that in a second. Um, and even the 4-hour GAN. So, the 4-hour GANs are pretty good though. Look at look what you're getting. So I trade off the daily, and I trade off the 4-hour typically. And when it's in no man's land, I don't do too much. But you can just see. Look at this. Right, you can see the market's kind of fumbling around here at the 813, and look at this buy. So you get these marks. What I like about right here. So I like when the market presses up and then retests, right? So market goes above the 4-hour, retests. So you're gonna get in, right here with your stop right here. Well, I meant here under the GAN, right? So, and then you're looking ideally GAN to GAN. Ideally GAN, so 4-hour to 4-hour, but a lot of times what I'll do is be in a trade until I get a sell on my deltas. So you can see that's almost 50%, a little bit more, and then I might even be done for the day. This depends on the day, but sometimes on a pre-market move like this, before the market opens, I just catch a nice clean price action move, and dude, I'm done. Right? Don't mess around. So that's my favorite thing to do. And then I call this kind of no man's land because we are below 4-hour, below the daily, and then price actions above the 4-hour because obviously we just got that. But you can see the sales actually do pretty well with my I shouldn't say but with the Elite GANN AI. So some good signals there. But again, I don't really like this. But if I was in long, so taking off half my position, right? This is kind of cool. So as you can see, it breaks here, right? It breaks up here, and then 1, 2, 3. I call this kind of a complex retracement as it hits this 944. So I'd still be in, let's say I had 4 minute micros. I take off 2, I'm holding 2, and of course you get right to the open, but then I'm getting my GAN to GAN, and like literally you're done. So that's just one example. In the trade this morning, even though what I love about this system too is again, what I like to do is break and take this retest. So I actually caught this in my funded again. So it breaks up, go long, and of course this is during the market open, so it's tricky. It breaks down, and so in theory you could, as it breaks down below the daily, when it retests, you could go short here, which would be a loss, but there really wasn't a lot of price action that would say, hey, go short here. But in either case, let's just say you're a robot and you just short, it goes down, breaks, then you turn back into a robot, breaks up. So you could either, when you press break and then catch this little retest right here, or if you waited a few bars, you can go break and then on this retest here. So that's pretty cool. So then market's forming new highs, and so even on when it breaks here, you could enter here, right? And then so when I was trading earlier, you're just kind of tracking this thing, and so this was in no man's land for me. I know we had some members, and that's where the compass helped us. The compass is just an added piece. It has some orbs, and as you can see right here when it formed, the orbs gave you, basically it showed you probably to go short right here, but in either case, let's say you missed this, you just miss all this because I like to trade at the dailies. Look how beautiful this is. So what I would call this would be a breakout trade. I like retest, but let's just say you could take a break out of the daily, catch some ticks there, and then look at this, it retraces back to the daily, and great opportunity to scalp down to our AI line. I mean, so there's just so many cool things that can help you navigate NQ. And then look at this, um, even really cool trade as things are just kind of bouncing around. It breaks, right? Again, what's an awesome the trade that I was on a Discord again. It breaks here, so either your breakout trader here, it retests. It doesn't even get back to what is it? Just basic price action, right? That's a bad line, but you know what I'm talking about. It's just basic price action, nothing fancy. Break, retest. So you get this awesome entry with, and then again, this dotted line is basically like an AI GAN line. It analyzes price action and gives us kind of a cool mathematical line of significance, or a level of significance as I call it. And there you go. Ooh, I caught that nice short down, and I actually got wicked out. I was making fun of somebody in our group because I got wicked out here, but it was really my bad. I had my I put my stop like right here, and I got wicked out. But you know, I essentially, if I was, I mean, I was taking my dogs out, or my dog out, but you can see went right down to this daily GAN, bounced, and then this is also beautiful about what we do with this is it retraces, so you can re-enter here. Look at this, it retraces here the sell, and so you're getting a 4-hour to daily, and then you can see how it presses down a little bit. It does pump up a little bit, so then you can either catch this breakout or catch this nice retracement, and then as the market, you know, hopefully you're done, right? You do all this, you're done for the day. But you can see how the daily still was awesome. So it pumps. You could short, you know, this one might be a loss, but either case, it breaks, giving you a decent entry, and then you get a nice complex retracement again. Boom, look at this. So you're gonna catch a nice trail down there. This is a mean, and this is typical NQ right here. You know, if you're short, so if you're short here, and this wicks like this, that's where NQ, these can be pretty mean. Like, look at that candle. But either case, I mean, you killed it most of the day. So again, if it came up, wicked you out, you could re-enter and continue on south, GAN to GAN. So, and look at this, GAN to GAN, what we do every day here in our group. So anyway, just wanted to shout out to my chart, how awesome it is. That's all. Peace.